In this video, I'll show you how to choose an AI model in Bolt.new. First, sign in to your Bolt.new account and open the project where you want to use an AI model. Next, open the AI chat or prompt panel. Look for the model selector near the top of the chat interface and click it to view the available AI models. After that, browse the list of available models and select the one that best fits your project. Different models may be optimized for coding, reasoning, speed, or general-purpose tasks, so choose the one that matches what you're trying to build. Now, start a new prompt or continue your existing conversation. Bolt.new will use the selected AI model to generate code, answer questions, and help you build your application. If needed, you can switch to a different model at any time by opening the model selector again. Finally, test the generated results and compare different models if you're looking for better performance or higher quality code. Continue using the model that gives you the best results for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to choose an AI model in Bolt.new. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.